So here we are saying standby dishwasher in place. So can we take this as a safeguard or no?
This one. No, we are talking one working on standby.
This one working on standby. This one.
Suppose in this pump is filled. Yeah. So then this machine is
You can start.
This machine is useless. Now you switch over on this machine. It should be automatic or not?
Yeah. Standby there, so we can take this. Safeguard. So guys, with this, although it's a very small one, and we have gone through the.
What LCP is doing?
Sorry.
In the LCP, which are the signals they are doing? Level.
Where is STP?
Local control. No details is still available.
It is a local control panel. This is a local. Yeah. So that is why we.
Panel, I don't know whether it will. If this camera is coming or with HMI. So then they can integrate. It's coming with HMI, no?
Yeah, I think that it's HMI. I will check now. But this is the old solution. Yeah, now people have recently bought what we
Boil in the medium level.
Yeah, see, at stop limit at 300.
Say
Yeah, 300.
What
It's not up to 60.
but it will remain on the time.
630. And you have to run within 630.
Yeah.
If it is okay at 1200, then it's insulted, it will give alarm.
Okay.
But minimum the bill.
And it will keep there.
Yeah, this is the